Welcome back to another video. Today it is hot out here in Georgia, so I decided to treat myself and my family with a creamy homemade chocolate milkshake made fresh in my own kitchen. I started off using 2 cups of cold milk and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream for that thick, smooth base. Instead of using regular sugar, I sweeten it with 1/4 of pure sugar cane. It gives it a rich, natural sweetness that takes it to the next level. Then I added 2 teaspoons of Mexican vanilla blend for that warmth and depth, and just a dash of salt to balance everything. I whisked that really good together. I poured everything into my Ninja Slushy machine, and there was some sugar that was in the back. I make sure that I scraped all of that sugar to put it back into that Ninja Slushy machine. Don't worry, you will not feel any of the sugar grain. Now that it's all in there, I turned on the power and pressed milkshake, and I let it work its magic for 15 minutes. Go ahead and get you a big glass. I love chocolate, so I added extra chocolate into my glass. Now I had frozen whipped cream that I made for another dessert, so I decided to use that to add more of a creamy flavor and added more chocolate syrup on top. Y'all, this was so good, creamy, chocolatey, and just what you need on a hot Georgia day. Please subscribe for more homemade recipes.